set up, like you signed up for the business manager, you created an ad account, you created a page, and we just attached a domain in our Facebook manager, added our domain to the funnel builder, and then we created a pixel and we added that pixel to the landing pages. Hello everyone, my name is Manoj and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I will show you how to set up your business manager account for Facebook, because Facebook is the only source where you get highly targeted traffic to your landing pages, with which you are promoting different products from different affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore, or any other network for that purpose. So without wasting any time, let us start. So first thing is we need to create a Facebook business manager account. So for that, just log in to your personal Facebook profile, log in, and then in a new tab, type in business.facebook, and once you type that, you will have to open up this link. I have already created that account, so when I will click on that link, it will redirect me to business manager account, but for you it will open this page, and here just click on create an account, and then it will ask you three informations. Just enter the name of your business, so you can enter any name or your name if you wish to, then your nickname, so type in your name, and then the third thing is your business email. So if you don't have a business email right now, you can enter your personal email address, and then you will receive an email for confirmation. Go to your inbox and click on that confirmation link, and then your account will be created. So when you log in to your business manager, you just have to do log in into your personal profile, and then in a new tab in the same browser, open up business.facebook, and it will open this business manager page. So this is how it's gonna look when you will first start it. So to set it up properly so that we can run Facebook ads to promote different affiliate offers, you need to take some steps. Do it as I am telling you, and I will try my best to make it as simple as possible, and you will be able to create your business manager account without any friction or problem. So once you are here, the first thing that we're gonna do is we will click on all tools, and we will click on this icon that says business settings. Let it open up. Okay, so we have just like the business name that we gave, so that's my wife's name. You will also see the business name whatever you have chosen at the time of the signing up, and then this is your personal ad account. So first thing that we need to do is we will create an ad account. So click on add accounts, click here and create a new ad account, and you can name it whatever you want to, like Affiliate Kings. Okay, time zone, so whatever your country is, you will have to select that time zone. So I'm in India and I will select Indian time zone. So this is GMT 5:30, and then just choose your currency. So mine is going to be INR. Okay, that's simple. Click next. I will use this ad account for my business, so select my business, hit create, and then you will have to give permission. So select the person, that is you, and give all the permissions, assign. And now what you'll have to do is you'll have to add your payment info. So click on add payment info, and here it will ask you to save your location and currency. Now if you have a debit or credit card, you can use it. If you are using credit card, then your payment will be postpaid, and for debit it's gonna be prepaid. So click next. So let me enter my payment details, and I'll come back to guide you on the next steps. So I've added my payment details, and now as you can see that I have one ad account, and I've added one person to that account, and you'll have to connect an asset. Asset is like the page or whatever you have. So right now we don't have any page. So the next step is we will create a page, and creating a page is really simple. Just above ad accounts you see pages. Click on it, come here and create a new page. So for what purpose you are creating a new page? So I just wanna keep it real simple. So we will select cause or community, and let's name the page. So I'll name it Brain Train Your Puppy, and create page. So now you can see that we have created our page, and you can go to the page right from here. Just hit on this view page. Do all the steps as I'm doing in front of you. So when this page is open, now you can and now it is asking us to switch to Brain Train Your Puppies to take more action. So we will click on switch. We will click from here, and we will switch the profile just like this. So not now. Now you want to add a cover photo and a profile picture. So click on add cover, upload, and go to your media. Now this is where I have like my cover image. So this is the cover image. You can just note down the dimensions, because sometime when you use the standard dimensions that are told by Facebook, your cover image looks very awkward on mobile size. So if you use this dimension 960 pixels by 506, and then also let me open it up to show you furthermore. Now the image, the main image, you will keep it in the middle of that page. You can reposition it like this and click Save Changes. So this is how our cover image looks like. It looks very professional. And now what we will do, we will have to add a profile picture. So I have made this profile picture, and I'll just upload it, and it's perfectly fine. Click Save, and there you go. Now what I would suggest you that you should fill in as much information as possible. You should add your bio and everything and start posting. So I will post a few posts so that the page doesn't look empty. So this is the post that I created using Canva, and now you can write something on it. So just write some description. So I've just written, I know that your pup does the same. If yes, share it with your friends and family. So we are giving them some action or some call to action to do, and I'll just post it. So this is the post number 1 that I have posted on my page. And now what I want is you to add another post. You can add 4 to 5 posts, but for this tutorial I have made 2 posts. The second one is a video. So this is our video, and my hope never give up. So this is it, and so you write some text over it, and you motivate people to take action on your posts and content that you are posting. Now hit post, and this video is also created on Canva. So this is the post number 1, and here we have our second post. It has music also, but I've just muted for this video. If you want to listen, you can listen this. It's funny. Okay, so this is quite nice. So this is how our page looks now. So when someone come to this page, it's not empty. You should also do it. Post 2 or 3 images and videos on your page. Now the next thing, go to all these tabs, fill in all the information, because the more information you are going to add, the more protected and safe your page and business ad account will be. Because just recently Facebook has banned one of my business ad accounts, and that's why it took me a long time to come up with this tutorial. So now we are done with creating our business manager. We have created our ad account. We have created a Facebook page also. Now the third step is you will need to add a domain to your business manager. So how to do it? Go to brand safety, and here you will see domains. Just click on it and create a new domain, and you'll have to add your domain here. So I have just purchased a domain for this page, so it is related to brain training. So the domain that I have got is brainydog.fun, and you just click on add, and it will show that it is not verified. So you will have to verify your domain with Facebook if you want to run any kind of advertisements using Facebook platform. So the easiest way to do it is you click here and you select this option, update the DNS text record. Now click here. Now it is copied, and what you'll have to do is go to your domain and hosting provider and just open up the DNS settings. So in Namecheap it is advanced DNS, GoDaddy also it's by the name of DNS. So you'll have to add a new record. So create on add record and select text, and it should remain @ and just paste in the domain verification, this piece of code that we copied, and just paste it here. Hit add record, and it says DNS record added successfully. Now go back to your Facebook Business Manager, click on verify domain, and your domain has been verified successfully. Congratulations, you are moving along really well. Now the next step is whatever funnel builder you are using to build your landing pages, you will have to connect that domain to that funnel builder. I am using system.io, so I'll show you how to connect your domain that you have just purchased to system.io. The process is almost the same in all of the landing page builders. So you go to settings, domain, click on add domain, and here just paste. Okay, this is the DNS text record. So the name of our website is brainydog.fun and hit save. So it is asking us to enter www, so we'll do it, and now you just hit save, and now it is instructing us to add these CNAME records in the DNS configuration of our domain. So like I have purchased my domain from Hostinger, you might have got it from Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other service provider. The process remains the same. So first you go to your hosting provider and you click on DNS name servers, and here we'll have to add 2 CNAME records. But first I would suggest you check that if it has a CNAME record with a www, so you should delete that CNAME. Okay, and now go back and copy this part, copy, come back here and select CNAME, and in the name just type www, and in the target paste that code, add record. So DNS record created successfully. So we have created one DNS record, and for the second one, let me zoom in. Okay, so you just copy this part. Okay, leave this period brainydog.fun. So you don't have to copy that part, just copy this one and go back to your hosting and domain provider, select CNAME, and here in the name paste it. Okay, and now come back here and copy this entire part, and in the target just paste it, add record, and you might find an error after you have added, because it happened to me while I was updating these DNS CNAME records for Hostinger to connect with system.io. It will show you a CAA error. So for that not to happen with you, if you find CAA records here, so delete all of those records and then you complete this process of adding these 2 CNAME records in your DNS. After doing that, okay, let me restore it. Now it is telling us that the validation is pending, so it might take up to like a couple of hours to 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so we will wait, and hopefully our domain will get connected, and once it is connected it will show this green check mark with ready to use. Now we have connected our domain to system.io. It is just a matter of validation, and the validation will go through if you follow the process that I have shared with you. Now what I'm gonna do is we will move on to the next part, that is setting up a pixel and connecting that pixel onto this funnel or page that we will create to run our offers. Now we will go back and open our personal profile, then in a new tab type in business.facebook and open this link, and it's gonna open up this page. So what you'll do is click on settings, more business settings. Now I'll close this tab. So this is the business manager, and now after creating our ad account, a page, and connecting domain to our funnel builder, verifying that domain with Facebook, now the last piece of the puzzle is you'll have to create a pixel and to integrate that pixel into our landing page so that we can optimize and check what actions users are taking on our landing pages. So to do that, go to data sources, pixels, and here we don't have any pixel. This is a brand new account that I have created, so I'll click on add, and now you can name your pixel whatever you want. So like this, for this pixel I want to name it wellness pixel. Okay, if you want to add website URL you can, but I would recommend not do it, and then you click on continue. Okay, so it is telling you, are you ready to set up your pixel? So you say set the pixel now, and you click here manually add pixel code to our website, because we are going to inject this pixel code in each and every page of our landing page or funnel. Let us say in our funnel I have 2 or 3 pages, or in a quiz you have multiple pages, so you'll have to add this piece of code on each page. And how to do it, I'm gonna explain you completely, so just watch it till the end. Now you just have to copy this code, okay, and turn on advanced matching and click continue. So it is telling us that use Facebook events setup tool recommended. We don't want, so just come here and manually add event code. Okay, done. So we are done, and let me open up the notepad. Okay, so this is the code that we will have to paste in our landing page, and I'll tell you how to do it. But first, to this pixel we will have to add people. So I'm the admin and I'm gonna give myself full control. Okay, this is the first step. And second, you'll have to connect assets. So like add account, so I just have one ad account. I'll connect this ad account. So to this pixel I have connected this person, so he is going to manage this pixel and this ad account that we created. Okay, now before adding that pixel code, I just want to explain you what are the Facebook standard events and how to use them to get the best results from the advertising campaigns that you are going to run using Facebook Business Manager. So just go and type in Facebook Pixel Standard Events and open up the first link. Okay, so these are the standard events defined by Facebook Pixel. So add payment info, so you write it like this: add to cart, add to wish list, complete registration, and others. So as affiliate marketers, what are the 3 most important pixel events for us? Is the number 1 most important event for us could be a lead, initiate checkout, and page view. So here on our landing pages, these are the 3 most important things we are going to capture and optimize for. So now I'll show you the pixel code that I copied onto my notepad. So this is page view. So it means that this pixel code, when properly added and integrated into our page, and when someone comes and clicks on this page, it opens up in a browser. Now Facebook receives this activity as page view. Okay, now I told you that we will optimize our landing pages for 3 main events: page view, initiate checkout, and leads, if we are capturing leads, if we are collecting emails. So this code is for page view. Now how can we change this page view to initiate checkout? So I'll write initiate checkout and I'll copy this entire piece of code. So you don't have to be a programmer or a coding expert, you can do it. So where it says page view, now we will change it to initiate checkout. Just copy this, open it up and just select this part only and change it to initiate checkout. And like down here also it says page view and no script, so I'll change it to initiate checkout. Now when we add this piece of code on a landing page and someone opens it in a browser, now Facebook will track that conversion event or that event as initiate checkout. And the third one is lead. So again I will paste this pixel code, and where it says initiate checkout I'll type in lead, and here also just this part initiate checkout and type in lead. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'm gonna save it as Facebook pixel codes for like wellness pixel. Okay, so that we can use it properly without going back to Facebook again and again and again. So this is done. Now come to your funnel builder. So in my case it's system.io and it is still showing some errors, so hopefully it will get resolved because I have deleted the CAA records as I told you earlier. So what I'll do, I'll go into funnel and let us say this is the funnel. So what you can do is you can just go to settings here and you can change it to this domain, but currently it will not open up because of the error it is showing. So I will do the step on this system.io subdomain, but the procedure is same. Okay, so what you'll have to do, like this is the page that I built using system.io, and if you want to build these same pages, I will link the tutorial in the description. You can watch me building 3 really good high converting landing pages using system.io. So what we'll do, you just click on this settings and here, okay, come here where it says edit header code. Here we will paste the pixel code. So let us say if we want this page, like I want this page to be a page view event. So when someone opens this page, I want it to be counted as page view. So I have added that code and I'm gonna save it. Okay, and what we will do, will come out of it, copy the link just by clicking here. You copy the link and you open it in a new browser, and I have installed Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. So you can also install this Chrome extension. Just go to type in Facebook Pixel Helper, and I've already installed it, but you can, so it will give you an option to install it. So what happens is that it will tell you if the pixel is fired properly or not. So how can we check it? So the pixel code or pixel ID here, it says, so the last number is 15818, and when I go back to my business ID, now you can see that 15818. So this is the pixel that it is showing here. So now we know that we have added that pixel properly on our landing page. So this is the way how you can add your pixels properly. Now what I would suggest you, that when you will start running Facebook ad campaigns, you need to optimize your campaigns for maximum results. Then the only way is that you should use at least 2 pixel events in each of the page. Now you must be wondering, I have only one page, how can I do it for, like, how can I optimize it for 2 events? So this is the page view, and we want to keep it as the page view event. Now what I will suggest you go here and you just duplicate this funnel step, so it will copy the same page, and I will name it as video loading. Okay, and save it. Why? Because when someone clicks on this play video, video will load. So what we will do is we will edit this page and make it a video loading. So just delete all those stuff from here. We don't want anything, so I'll just delete it. Now I will replace this image with a GIF. Upload, select file, and I will upload this GIF. Okay, it's a loading bar kind of, and what I'll do is just above this I'll add a text, and it'll say video loading. Okay, and I'll just increase the font size like this. Okay, and we can give it some spacing also, so margin top like this. Okay, now it's good. Save changes, and what I want to do it like you are promoting. So this product, that page is for Pro Dentim, the offer is Pro Dentim. So what we want, when someone comes to this page, so he is directed automatically to Pro Dentim offer. And what is the benefit of this extra page is that we can optimize. So when someone goes to our front page, so we want Facebook to count it as page view, and when someone clicks on this play video button, so that means that person is interested in watching the solution that we are offering. So he is a perfect target audience for us, and when he clicks on this button, he will be directed to this page, and from that page we will send that person to the actual offer. So what is the benefit of this page is we can insert the initiate checkout pixel on this page. So when someone lands on this page, Facebook will count it as initiate checkout, and it will optimize our campaigns. So we are going to run campaigns optimizing for initiate checkouts, and it will optimize our campaigns for initiate checkout. So it means that it is going to show our advertisement to more people who are likely to click on our first page, come to this page and watch the video. Okay, so how to do it? I know my videos get a bit longer, they are in depth, and no one else on YouTube is sharing the content that I am sharing, because if you follow these steps, if you are a serious action taker, then these are the actual steps that you might find in a paid course, but in YouTube no one is sharing them. So okay, enough of that. So what I'll do is I'll just grab the link of ProDentim. So let me open up ClickBank. Go to Marketplace and type in ProDentim, promote, and create hop link, and this is our hop link. Okay, so I'll come back here, and now what I'll do is I'll open a new notepad. Okay, paste that ProDentim hop link that we have got, and now you type in meta refresh URL HTML. Okay, this is, and now you go here. You don't have to do any coding. What you'll do, let me zoom it. So just copy this line. Okay, just copy it and bring it here. Okay, paste it, and now where it says http the tutors.example, whatever it is, so I'll copy this one and select the inner part. Okay, and now paste it, and now select this entire. Okay, one more thing, where it says content 0, that means the user who lands on any page, he will be redirected through the URL that you have mentioned here in 0 seconds. So we will make it 1, so in 1 second. Okay, now copy this entire piece of code and I'll show you how you can make it. So you go here and row HTML, you just bring it, click on it, edit code, just remove this thing and paste the code that we got from there and click. Now open the first page. Okay, and when someone clicks on this button, what will happen here, it will open URL or the next step URL. Okay, so it will go to the next step, and here also when someone clicks on this, so I have pasted the URL of that page. Okay, it is saved. Now it's video loading, and we want to insert the initiate checkout pixel. Copy. Okay, and click on edit, settings, cancel, header code. Okay, save. Now come back. Now what will happen is, let me copy this URL, and when I open it, so this is the page. So when someone comes to this page, Facebook is counting it as a page view event. Okay, and let's say someone clicks on this play video button, so this page will open. Okay, and then it will redirect the user to that actual offer, and the user already knows that he will be watching a video. In this case, the link that I grabbed is not of a video, but you will insert the video link, the VSL link of that product that you are promoting. So you saw it how we did it. Okay, let me show you again once more. Okay, this is the page, then we click it and here it initiate checkout. Okay, so this way you can optimize your landing pages for initiate checkout, because let us say you injected the initiate checkout code on the first page itself. So when someone comes to this page, you are telling that Facebook to count is initiate checkout, but this is not good for our campaigns, because there are going to be many people who will come to this page and they'll bounce off. They are not going to take any action. So what I want is that when someone takes an action on this landing page, then it should fire an important pixel, that is initiate checkout, or a lead pixel could also be added in the same manner. So when someone takes an action on our front end landing page, now he is going to the next page in which we have inserted the initiate checkout pixel. So Facebook will count that person as someone who has initiated checkout on our website, and then he will go to the actual offer, the VSL page of that offer, and there if he buys and purchase, so that event could be tracked in from ClickBank's end. So we will have to add our pixel and access token in ClickBank. It is also very easy, and if you need that, just comment it and I will make a separate video, just 2 or 3 minute video. So I hope you find it useful. And now we can do one more thing. So we can like click this open in events manager, this pixel, so it will open up the events manager. And okay, so I'll go back here. So this is the events manager. So now right now it's not showing any event, so we can test events. So I've already copied the link, so you just paste the link, you come here to test events, paste the link, open website, and when you opens up the website, like this is the page, then it shows you page view process. So now that you are double sure that your pixel is working properly, and let us check the second event that we fired for initiate checkout. Okay, now it is working fine. I know that this is the text sales letter, don't take it on heart. I could have easily placed the VSL link also. Now you see it is telling us as initiate checkout. So this is the most easy and smooth way to set up your business account. So I did it from scratch. You set up, like you signed up for the business manager, you created an ad account, you created a page, and we just attached a domain in our Facebook manager. We verified that domain using DNS text record. Then we added our domain to the funnel builder, and then we created a pixel and we added that pixel to the landing pages. I know that the video got kind of extended in the last few moments, but this is really important, really important. If you understand the importance of this thing, no one is telling you how Facebook would optimize your landing page. Like in Facebook, you are sending people to your landing page and then you are directing them to the actual offer. But when I tell you that you are just optimizing it for page view, even if you tell them that you want purchases, this is not the efficient way to do it. But when you fire the page view pixel on the front end page, and on the second page, that is just a video loading page, just an additional layer that we added to our funnel. And when someone takes an action to our front page, they comes to that video loading page, so that means they are kind of interested. And in this way, we are telling Facebook that these are the people who are interested in my product and services, and Facebook will optimize your landing page, your advertisements, to find out more people like those who are taking action on your landing pages. So that way you will generate good results for yourself. So thank you very much for sticking with me till the end, and in the next video I will show you the best way to promote any product using Facebook advertisements, because the most important thing is your targeting. And I will tell you the best way to target hyper passionate people who are waiting to see your solution. So if you are excited and if you got value, I would love to see you hitting that subscribe button, giving it a like, sending me a comment. And if you are stuck at any point, you are facing any problem, just comment that problem in the comment section, and I will try to solve it out to the best of my capabilities. And the next video is going to be super powerful, because I have to convince myself to make that video, because I spend a lot of time doing research, and the things that I'm going to share with you are mind-blowing. You will not find them in any paid course or any mentorship for that matter, and I'm gonna give you these exact steps and skills and systems in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are getting a lot of value. And one last thing that I want to tell you is that there is no secret to success. There is a system to success. If you follow that system, success will come. You will have to work hard, you will have to follow the system, you'll have to trust your mentors, your guides, whoever you are learning from. Just surrender yourself completely to them, and rest assured that you are going to make money, you are going to get your sales, and you are going to start making consistent income from ClickBank and affiliate marketing. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep learning, keep earning.